Hello everyone, and welcome to Antrix Media. In this video, I will be taking you through the process of creating a YouTube channel and earning money from it. Creating a YouTube channel is a fantastic way to express your creativity and share your content with the world. Plus, with the potential to earn money, it can be an excellent source of income for those who are successful. Part 1. Getting started with YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform where users can upload and share their videos with the world. YouTube allows anyone to create a channel, and once you have a channel, you can upload videos, interact with your audience, and even earn money from your content. Part 2. Creating a YouTube channel. The first step in creating a YouTube channel is to create a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you can skip this step. To create a Google account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the Google sign-up page. Step 2. Enter your first and last name. Step 3. Choose a username and password. Step 4. Enter your birth date and gender. Step 5. Enter your mobile number. Step 7. You will receive a verification code on your mobile. Enter it and click on Verify. Step 8. Review and agree to the terms of service. Step 9. Click on Create Account. Now that you have created a Google account, you can proceed to create a YouTube channel. Step 1. Go to youtube.com. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Enter your Google account email address and password. Step 4. Click on Create a Channel on the YouTube homepage. Step 5. Choose a name for your channel. Step 6. Click on Create Channel. Congratulations! You have now created a YouTube channel. You can now start uploading your videos and interacting with your audience. Part 3. Creating content for your channel. Tip 1. Identify your niche. Your niche is the topic or theme that your channel will be based on. Tip 2. Plan your content. Once you have identified your niche, it's time to start planning your content. Tip 3. Create high-quality content. The quality of your content is crucial to the success of your channel. You should aim to create high-quality videos that are engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Make sure that your videos are well lit, well edited, and have good sound quality. Tip 4. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is an essential part of creating a successful YouTube channel. You should respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage your viewers to subscribe and share your content. Part 4. Growing your channel. Once you have started creating content for your channel, it's time to focus on growing your audience. Here are a few tips to help you grow your channel. Tip 1. Use keywords and tags. One of the best ways to attract viewers to your channel is by using keywords and tags. Keywords are words or phrases that describe the content of your video. Tags are labels that help categorize your video and make it easier for people to find it. Make sure to use relevant keywords and tags in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Tip 2. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a great way to grow your channel. It allows you to reach a new audience and build relationships with other creators. Look for other YouTubers in your niche and reach out to them about potential collaborations. Tip 3. Promote your channel on social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your channel. Share your videos on your social media platforms and encourage your followers to subscribe to your channel. You can also use paid advertising on social media to promote your channel and reach a wider audience. Tip 4. Interact with your audience. Interacting with your audience is essential for building a loyal fan base. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create polls and surveys to get your audience involved. Part 5. Monetizing your channel. Step 1. Meet the YouTube Partner Program requirements. To be eligible for monetization on YouTube, your channel must meet the following criteria. 1. Have at least 1,000 subscribers. 2. Have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months or 10 million short views in 90 days. 3. Comply with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Step 2. Set up your AdSense account. To earn money from ads on your videos, you'll need to set up an AdSense account. AdSense is a free program that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your YouTube videos. To set up your AdSense account, follow these steps. 1. Go to the AdSense website and click Sign Up Now. 2. Enter your YouTube channel URL and select your country and time zone. 3. Enter your personal information, including your name, address, and tax information. 4. Wait for your account to be approved by AdSense. Step 3. Enable monetization on your YouTube channel. Once you've met the requirements and set up your AdSense account, it's time to enable monetization on your YouTube channel. Here's how. 1. Go to your YouTube studio and click on Monetization in the left-hand menu. 2. Click Start and follow the on-screen instructions to accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. 3. Set your monetization preferences and click Save. Step 4. Create advertiser-friendly content. To ensure that your videos are eligible for monetization, it's important to create advertiser-friendly content. This means avoiding controversial or sensitive topics and language, and following YouTube's community guidelines. Step 5. Promote your videos. To increase your views and earn more money from ads, it's important to promote your videos. Share them on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and optimize your video titles and descriptions for search. Step 6. Explore alternative monetization methods. Ads aren't the only way to earn money from your YouTube channel. You can also explore alternative monetization methods, such as 1. Sponsorships and brand deals. 2. Merchandise sales. 3. Fan funding through platforms like Patreon. By meeting the YouTube Partner Program requirements, setting up your AdSense account, creating advertiser-friendly content, promoting your videos, and exploring alternative monetization methods, you can start earning money from your channel today.